Welcome to another Brizy Tuesday Tips video special. Today we're going to look at the layouts within the Pro version, and the reason we want to do that is to show you how you can connect the layout to the color styling. In Brizy Pro, you can start building over here by clicking this plus in the middle, and you will see up here the option to choose the layouts. You can browse here through all the layouts that we have included, and sometimes maybe a layout like this one will catch your attention. When you go through it, you think, I like the colors, I like the typography, I like everything about the styling. And you can go through the various pages to have a look at how the styling applies, especially for the fonts used in this one and the colors that have been used. Now you click on this one for the home page and you import this layout. But surprise, surprise, once it comes into Brizy, it doesn't look at all the way you had seen it within the layout. What's going on here? This is all to do with the global color styling. By default, Brizy comes in set at the default color styling. So if you go here to the left sidebar and you click here on the paintbrush that says styling, you will see that the current style in Brizy Pro is set at the Brizy default. And this is Brizy default, especially in the free version. For the Pro version, you have these options of choosing all these other kind of color stylings. But they are not just random color styles. They are connected to the layouts within Brizy Pro. This one had a name, and the name is Gourmet. So if I click on Gourmet, you will see that first of all, the color palette will change, as well as the typography styling down here. Now if I go back to my page, you can see those colors and everything that we had liked about the layout is now here. How do you know which color styles goes with which layout? Let's clear this page, and I'm going to go here to the reorder blocks, and I'm just going to delete all of these blocks here so that we can bring in a new page to show you how you make that connection. Page is clear, start building your page, and I go to layouts again. In this instance, let's go and choose this one. As I hover over it, the first thing you will notice here is the name of this layout, Architect. If you hover over this one, Base Ground, Alpine Lodge, Advisors. Let's click on Architect, and then you will see it has the names for the various pages, like this one is a home page, and this one about page, and so forth. What you need to remember is this name up here, Architect, and you will find that there is a corresponding color palette global styling for Architect. Let's choose the home page, import this layout. And now if you go to styling, you will see it is still at Gourmet where we had left it previously. Now I click again on the drop down and I choose Architect. The colors and the typography styling are applied to this layout.